Hey guys, I'm pretty much just gonna show you how to make money on Animal Crossing not Wild West, but country, whatever, country folk. So you want to make sure that you set your day to 2000 through your Wii time or whatever, not through Animal Crossing time. Then have at least about 32k in bells, okay? Now, let me find out where I put my damn remote. Okay. So quit. Yeah, we don't care. Shut up. Would you like to quit now? Save and quit. Let your little system thing quit. And yeah, I'm sorry for the bad quality yet again. It's retarded. And then you gotta wait for that to load up, and then blah blah blah. You reach this. Wii menu, yes. This is what we think of your rules. Well, I don't even know, like, I don't know if this is gonna work. I was just looking that up, so I was gonna, So you go to Wii, and then you go to Wii settings. A little black screen for a while. Blah, blah, blah. Calendar. You set the date to 2035. 12/31. I think it really couldn't be any more simpler. I have no idea why the hell my clock's off. I don't even care. Make it 23 with about 3 minutes spare. Then back, da da da, da. Then Animal Crossing, Animal Folk start. And yes, I love Animal Crossing. I don't get why the hell they have this warning for Animal Crossing. You're really gonna be swinging or going around just to walk around, right? Oh shit. Now we gotta wait for the game to load up. Stupid things, we don't care. God, just hurry up. Load it up already, we don't care. Yeah. God, who cares? Just go. Fuck you, bitch. Okay. You have time to spare or whatever, who cares? Dude. Come out, you're tired, like, oh crap. Then you open your mail. It's wise to make sure you have a couple of mail slots. ABD, I notice. Yay. I wonder what that could be. Could that be my bank account? God. Bit. Oh, okay. Remove present. Box of tissues. What? And 100k. So I went up about, let's see how much I went up. And then every time you can just keep doing this and doing this. Yeah, you have a lot of weeds left over. Just go to like a friend code thing or like site, and just pay a bunch of people to pull your weeds, and then you'll pay them. Just pay them about like 100k, and you'll have about a good mil left. It depends how many times you want to do it. There's no point in just like doing this a couple times and then just not like only getting 100k, and then you lose money. I'm explaining very simple things for some retarded videos. Deposit 101k. So I rose about 71k. I profited, and there you go. Well, thanks for watching YouTube. I'll be doing more reviews about Animal Crossing. Now I'm gonna go screw around in Animal Crossing, dudes. Peace.